uGalileo Galilei, the man who challenged the church, ngesikhathi challenging the church was equivalent to challenging God. Though he was right, he was imprisoned for speaking the truth. uGalileo Galilei. So uGalileo Galilei was born ngesikhathi where everyone, ama-scientists, abafundisi, ama-courts, everyone believed ukuthi the sun revolves around the earth. The earth is the center of the universe. So bayitholaphi lento lokuthi the earth is the center of the universe? They get it from the Holy Book. So the Holy Book, Psalms 104 verse 5, ithi, He has established the earth on its foundation. It will never be moved from its place forever and ever. So ngalesi lesi uGalilea saphila, I want to believe ukuthi the earth was still. Then everything else revolved around the earth, including the sun. So uGalileo Galilei bought a telescope from an associate of his. So upon buying the telescope, he began improving the telescope and began doing observation. So his main subject of observation was Jupiter. So as he was observing Jupiter, he noticed ukuthi the moons was Jupiter are revolving around the planet. So he came to the conclusion ukuthi the earth is not the center of the universe. Even the earth revolves around the sun. Not ukuthi the sun revolves around the earth. The same way the moon revolves around the earth. However, as iBhayibheli had established ukuthi the earth is forever and the earth is still. So God is never wrong. God is never wrong. And who is this mere mortal telling us ukuthi God is wrong, telling us ukuthi our holy book is wrong? So the Catholic Church gave Galileo Galilei an option. It's either you're gonna admit ukuthi I was wrong, or you're gonna be sentenced. And Galileo Galilei chose the latter. He didn't refute ukuthi the earth revolves around the sun. He was steadfast with the earth revolves around the sun. It's not the sun which revolves around the earth. So upon saying that, he was sentenced to a house arrest, and that's where he lost his life, serving his sentence yakhe ku house arrest. Only years later, to the church and everyone else now realize that Galileo Galilei was right. However, ba realize sekangasekho uGalileo Galilei. He has been sentenced. He has already lost his life while serving in house arrest. So what do you think about uGalileo Galilei? To me, Galileo Galilei is very remarkable what he represents. Regardless of what other people say, if you right and you're 100% sure what you right, you must remain steadfast. You must remain unshaken. Don't be busy conform, because you might conform